Good afternoon guys, and welcome to the Arrochar Alps. In today's video I'm out with Paul, Robert, Paddy the Dog, and we plan to do a summit Wildcamp on the summit of Ben Donich. It's an absolute glorious day, it's absolutely beautiful, but it will get cold through the night, so if you see I'm donning the big pack, sort of, what you would say is my 4th season kit. Yeah, maybe look a bit strange now, going up a hill in this weather with 4th season kit. But once that sun goes down, it's going to get really cold. Yeah, so hopefully we'll get a cracking night, hopefully a good pitch, and hopefully my video gives these views justice. This has been going for an hour and 50 minutes and we're at 720 metres. So, final push to the summit. We gave ourselves a time of 2 hours, so probably going to be on that. But the weather and the views is something else. Yeah, I've picked a cracking day for this.
Hey bother, I'm not even out of breath. Well done, mate.
Paul. Alright.
Yo! Summit with Stevie!
Yes! Hey guys, this is at the summit of Ben Donich. That took us 2 hours and 30 minutes. And we're currently at 840 44 metres, yeah. 844 metres. Aye, what a day, what a day. We're really spoilt for choice for pitches up here. I'll come up, I'll bring you up and show you the view. The views don't get much better than that. Oh, yes. Oh, hey Paul, try before you buy.
Is that right? Is it good?
Oh, it's lovely. That's the digs for the night. Not too shabby at all. Hiya pal, hiya pal, hiya pal, hiya wee Paddy. We are having MX3 Adventure potato puree with chicken. It's there, see that? Yeah, so I'll let you know how that is.
You wouldn't believe the chicken he just ate, man. See, like chicken, like dinner today.
I'm coming off for an Irish coffee as well. Result. You can smell scran. Ho ho! Ho ho ho! Hey, let's try this. I don't think there's any wait time on this.
Paddy,
I did.
here, come here. Here, come here. I can't help him, Cam.
He's fine, mate. He's fine. That's bloody nice.
Look at the eyes. big, aye.
Yeah, I've got a wee can of beer. Might sniff for it.
No, keep it for your video, mate.
Keep it for your video.
You be jerking on, eh? You be jerking on, pal.
The time we get up, you'll know, as soon as it's light, you'll know it'll be.
It is 10:15. Cracking day today, absolutely fantastic. Loved it, loved every minute of it. But it's now time for a movie. So I've got a choice of two movies I've seen before. I think the downloads that you can get for Netflix, the new ones I didn't fancy, and the ones that I've downloaded I've seen before. So I've got, I don't know if you can see it, pick it up, I've got I Swear or Dirty Grandpa. I think I'm going to go with Dirty Grandpa. Cheers, guys.
Putting my tongue so long, and a screaming pearl. I don't care confrontation anymore. And I till all peach turns pale, and the state that's on the stars shine down for me.
Hey guys, that's us all packed up. It's 6:25. Check that sunrise. All the kit's packed up. That's where my tent was last night. Leave no trace has been applied as always, and we're going to head down to Dumbarton and go for a wee breakfast. Yeah, that sounds good, eh? That's us done. Half the hill, we're on the path back to the car park. Bumped into fellow YouTuber Andy O. Nice to meet him. I've been watching Andy's videos for years, and met him on the hill of day, so he's away up today. Ben Donich, keeping it local. But coming down after that there, we're an hour and 45 minutes. So not bad coming down. It's really cool down in here in the shade. But what can I say about the whole experience of the summit camp? It was absolutely fantastic. One complaint about that, there's no running water source. There is a sort of, looks more like a puddle. That is on the map, but carried water up ways. But there's no running water source at all near the summit. Even coming down there's nothing coming down, so you'd have to carry your own water up or take the risk of using that wee, I say it's a big puddle. So it looks like a big puddle. So guys, I'm going to sign off here. Please give us a thumbs up, a like, if you're not already, give me a wee subscribe. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye.
Sausage! That good?
Yeah, for a while when he come back for a couple of weeks, then he's away again.
Oh, was he to come back? Is it?